Hey guys, this is OG from Crypto Nights back with another cryptocurrency update. Bitcoin has broken down and has continued to break down, and we're now looking for a potential trade opportunity. If you appreciate updates like this at any time, please give this video a thumbs up. Now onto the charts. So as we saw with Bitcoin, it broke down from its trend line, and it was consolidating here for a bit, and we were hoping that perhaps this was going to be a fake breakout and for price to continue back up, but unfortunately that didn't happen. Instead, after the consolidation here, price broke down further. Now let's look at what's next coming up. So we see that there is a slight bullish divergence with RSI on the 15-minute. So in the immediate short term, it looks like price will likely go sideways or potentially move up a little bit, but the real test here is at 36.5 to 37K, which is the 200 period moving averages on a 15-minute time frame. So if price comes up to this region and gets rejected with strong volume, I will be looking to take a scalp short down. Now moving on to the 1 hour, we also have a similar setup. So if price were to break back above the 200 period moving average on the 15-minute, we're not out of the woods yet. Because we have that same setup on the 1 hour as well, which is at 37.5 to 38K, right? So this is another region where price could potentially get rejected. So we'll be keeping an eye out for this region should the initial 200 period moving average on the 15-minute hold. So these are the two potential areas for us to take a short or to really be careful about price potentially getting rejected and continuing downwards. Now moving on to the Ethereum chart, looks a little bit healthier. So we have a potential W bottom here, right? So again, as a refresh, a W pattern is where you have a swing low, right, coming from a move down, a bounce, and then a second swing low that's higher than the first, which gives a neckline, right, of around 2250, right? So if price breaks back above 2250 for Ethereum, this is where we could potentially take a long if we have strong volume coming in as well. One thing to note is that Ethereum needs to do that rather quickly because we are already at the neckline, and so if price doesn't break out, sooner rather than later, then this W pattern could be invalidated simply by the fact that it won't be a W anymore, right? So if price comes down here and then comes back, well, this is not a W, right? This is it's a W plus a V, right? Which is not a pattern that I trade anyways. So in the immediate term, there's a potential Ethereum long that we could look for, but if price continues to not break out, then this is something that will be invalidated in the next couple of hours. Now we see that because we see that Ethereum has been a little bit more bullish than Bitcoin, that's going to reflected in the ETH Bitcoin chart, right? So we see that ETH relative to Bitcoin has been on a slight uptrend recently. So this is the setups that I'm looking for: a potential short on Bitcoin and a potential long on Ethereum. But everything's waiting for confirmation, and this Ethereum, if it continues to come down like this, then this W will be invalidated in the next hour or so. So again, if you guys appreciate these timely videos, even if it's on a weekend, please give this video a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get to 10 likes. And if you guys are interested in joining my Discord in order to get more up-to-date signals and trades, links in the description below. And if you guys want to open up a Binance account in order to take these trades, again, there's a link in the description below so that both you and I can get rebates on our trade commissions. Okay, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one.